Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Had a street glide come in. It's a 13 and down for wiring rescue, and he already had two Sound Digital evox 800s in the fairing. Wanted to add a third one and a DSP to control the 8s that we were dropping in the saddlebags. So this bike was a complete wiring disaster. The amps were held together with epoxy. They glued the RCAs into the amp and the DSP. It was just, and then they covered everything in sound deadener. They removed the backing off the sound deadener. It was just a hot, sticky mess under there. But we were able to straighten it out. Got the bike sounding phenomenal. We got all three amplifiers in the fairing and the DSP with no cutting. Came out really, really good. And the bike sounds great. Check it out. Okay, I understand the client was trying to protect the equipment, and sound deadener is waterproof. But if you're going to do this, leave the backing attached, leave the paper attached, so you don't create a hot, gooey mess under the fairing. This is going to be super hard to clean up. So I understand the thought behind it, but this is going to be a disaster trying to clean this up. So if you do it this way, leave the paper on, or you can expose the top part, but leave the paper on the bottom part. There's no need for, this is crazy. And it's gonna take us a minute to clean that up. And when you tell me that you got both amplifiers to fit in the fairing, but you glued the two amps together, that, in my book, that's not fitting. That's not my definition of fitting.
I don't want nobody else to ever love me. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my love fantasy. There's not a minute, hour, day or night that I don't love you. You're at the top of my list, cause I'm always thinking of you. I still remember in the days when I was scared to touch you, how I spent my day dreaming, planning how to
In my apartments a long time ago, I knew a bad bitch, but she was kinda slow. Still gave it up when it's a few of us. She let me finger fuck her on the school bus. We used to cut school with her, run train. She wanna hang with us, we want one thing. Just penetrating that dope, dog. She choke on it like smoke, dog. But whenever I fucked up my re-up, in the dice game, I go see her. She'll give me enough to buy quarter ounce, then blow a blunt of that reefer. She used to buy a nigga new sneaker, pay the bill on my beeper, just so she could pay me for the 69, and I know it's time to go freak her. Then one day I just asked her, why you always getting ass up? I mean, damn, me home get paid, all you do is get laid. This shit don't add up. She say, Till, all I wanna do is feel love, even if I know it ain't real.